Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the question related to three variable K-map for POS. In the previous video we discussed about the question related to the three variable for the SOP. Now in this video we will discuss about the POS question. So let's check POS and SOP. For finding POS there is one sign that is called pi and the SOP for summation. This is one is already discussed in the previous video. So here is the sign that is pi. This is the sign that is pi. So that sign indicate that means this is the question of POS. This is the question of POS. For the POS, true that means 0 and false that means 1 in the form of POS. But in the SOP, true that means 1 and false that means 0. So let's see the designing. If you don't know how to design a three variable POS, so check my previous video designing of K-map. So let's do this. So here is the three variable A, B and C. So we can make a four boxes. The name of that boxes is, this is the, I'm already show, this is the designing of three variable K-map, that is A dash, B plus C, B C dash, B dash C dash or B dash C. So here we write like that value A dash, B plus C, B plus C dash, B dash plus C dash, B dash plus C. This designing I am already discussed in the previous video. So please watch my previous video for understanding how we can design a three variable K-map. In this video we discuss only the question related to the three variable K-map for the POS. So sorry, for the SOP. Here is the question related to the POS. In the question related to the POS, here is a 1, 0. So here is the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in the place of 0 that means this value containing in that diagram. So that one in that place we have to write 0. In that place we have to write 0 because in that question, that in the POS form 0 that means true and true that means that value available in that K-map. So true that means 0 available in that K-map. So in the place of 0 we have to write 0 that means true. Yes, this value contained in the K-map. Next 1. In the place of 1, that is 1 also available in the K-map, that means 1 is true for that case. So true for that case, that means we have to write 0. So again we can write a 0. Then 4 that means this is the box of 4, that means 4 is also available in that K-map. So that means this is true that means 0. So in the place of true we can write 0. Next 5. So in the place of 5 we also write a 0. In the place of 2 we can also write a 0 and 6 we can also write a 0. So in the POS form for the true value we can write 0, but in the SOP form we can write a 1. So let's make a pair. So here is a make a quad. Here is a 0, 0, 0, 0. So let's make a quad. This is the quad. And this 2, 0. This 2, 0 make a pair. But we can also make a quad. How we can make a quad? This 2 value and combining of this 2 value we can make a quad. Because by folding this value like that, for example. So this one is the example like that. Here is the 0, 0, 0, 0 and this 0, that means this 0 and this is the 0. We can make this one pair. So we can fold like that type. So this 2, 0 also combined with this 2, 0. This 2, 0 also combined with this 2, 0. So we can also make a pair. So like that. This is the question. This pair and this pair. This is the pair and making for the quad. Clear that everyone? By folding that value, this two value combined together, that means they are making a quad. So let's write the term here. Firstly, take this quad, that means 0, 1, 4, 5. That means M0, M1, M4, M5. So the row is row. So the row is in that one, in that quad there is two row A and A dash. So in that quad nothing will be same in the row. So we have to write a 0. Why we can write a 0? So in that place we have to write a 0. Next, for the column. For the column there is a B plus C and B plus C dash. B plus C or B plus C dash. So here is a C dash is C dash is different, but B are common. So we have to write B. So the term is B plus 0. Why we write B plus 0? Because in the form of POS, that means firstly do a sum. So that's why we firstly do a sum. After that we can do a multiply. So the next taking the next word, that means 0, 4, 2 or 6. So M0, M4, M2, M6. So in that chord also nothing common in the row. So the row is 0. For the column, that column B plus C, B dash plus C. So here is a C is common. So here C is common for those values. So the column, that means C. So again the term is C plus 0. Term is C plus 0. So the expression is that, what is the expression? Expression, that means first expression is B plus 0, second one is C plus 0. So which sign we can put here? So this is the form of POS. Firstly, that is sum. So here is the sum. After that we can do a multiply, product. So we have to write a multiply sign. That means B plus 0 into C plus 0. When we add 0 with V, so the result is B, and dot C with 0, the result is C. So this is the answer. Now we can see the next question related. So the next question is that A plus B plus C, A dash plus B, C, A dash plus B dash plus C, A plus B plus C dash, and A plus B dash plus C. So let's firstly identify this question is POS or SOP. So we can see here is a is variable, after is a plus sign, that means firstly do a sum, after that we do a multiply, firstly do a sum then multiply. So this is in the form of POS, So let's make a design of POS. Here this is the three variable, that means we make a 8 boxes. This is the boxes. So here we write A and here we write B or C. So we can write A and here we write A dash. Here B plus C, B plus C dash, B dash plus C dash, and B dash plus C. This is the designing of three variable for POS. So let's put a value. So firstly A, that means this one, B plus C. So in these boxes we put a 0. Why we put a 0? Because in the POS form 0, that means true. That means this value is available in that boxes. Next is A dash, that means here. Then again B plus C, that means C in that boxes. Next question is A dash, that means second row, and B dash plus C, that means fourth column, second row, fourth column. Then we put here value. Next A, that means this one, B plus C dash. So we put here. Then A is here, B dash plus C, that means this one, we put the here value. So now make a pair or quad. So here is a value and this is the value. So we can make a quad. So this is the quad, that means we put a value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. So let's write the term of this m0, m0, m4, this one is m2 and m6. So for the row and column, and this is the term. So in that row there is two row, that is A or A dash. In both row there is nothing common with the two values. So in the place of row we can write a 0. Then for the column B plus C or B dash plus C. Here is the common value, that is C. So we write the C. So the term is C plus 0. C plus 0. Then next one is, this is the next value. So we can make a pair like that. So in this one, that means M0, M1. So for the row and column, in that row there is one value is common, that is A, because both value in the same row. So in the place of row we here to write A. And the column, this column, what is the same value? There is a B value with the same, because it is a C and it is a C dash, both are different. So we take a B. In the column we take a B. So the term is A plus B. A plus B. Why we add this two value? Why we are not using multiply sign? Because this is the form of POS. So firstly do a sum. So then we do a sum. Then the expression is that expression is equal to C plus 0, that means C. So C and A plus B. We put a multiply sign. Because firstly do a sum, then do a multiply. So here also we can write A plus B into C. So this is the question of 3 variable K-map for POS. For the previous video you can see the question of SOP, and the next video you can see a 4 variable K-map for POS or SOP. Thank you.